What up, guys? Welcome back to the Jet Exchange, where we talk about everything in finance, trading, investing, stock options. We talk about psychology. Today, I want to start a series where we finish. I have bought not a demo account for 10K. It was a 10K demo trading account. We got to get the account to 10,400 or to 10,600 for me to be eligible for a funded account. We gonna be doing the challenge, the funded challenge, and see if we can get evaluated and get funded. Currently we are sitting at, let me see. We are sitting at $9,967.92. Right now, we are focused on getting the account back to 10,000, so we can clear more room to get closer to go. I took a trade. Today is Tuesday. I took a trade yesterday, which was Monday. I'm only posting this video today. I took a trade Monday. I got a profit of $70. I'm gonna pop it up on screen. Should be on screen. 5 minute, boom. 15 minute, boom. Another 5 minute, boom. You see? I took a trade based off, as you see on the 5 minute. Let me have it up. The 5 minute, we saw that support got broke through, which is my setup breakouts. And also off that trend line, we saw it rejected off it. So I knew that since we had a support there, it was going to be a breakout. And it came down back to a stronger level of support. So it came down there. I don't know how many points I got off of that trade, but it was a really nice trade. I had put on a good amount of size. Right now, I'm not too worried about risking too much until we get to our 10,000 where the account were originally. But I guess for the most part, you have to worry more about risks and how much you're risking when you have a 50K account or a 50K demo account or a 100K demo account. But I have to leverage so much money just for me to make a profit. So for me to pass this small challenge, I don't know how you fucking call it, small funded challenge, small demo challenge, whatever you call it. For me to pass that, I have to leverage almost a lot of 75% of my account size. But we're gonna be taking trades like that, and I'm just gonna walk you guys through the trade. So before I took the trade, I was looking for a price to either push past the trend line or reject it, and then they're rejecting. So I have my alerts already set for if it passed the trend line, it bounced off it. I have my alert set for that. Also, I have my alert set if it rejected. So after it rejected, I saw it rejected. It was coming down to a support line, which is a white line. It should be the white line on screen on the chart. Come down to the white line, and I seen it test that, and it broke right through that. Also, the VWAP I got on there, it broke right through that, and it closed below the VWAP. So I was looking for an entry, and I got an entry when it was coming up. It was wicking off a little bit. I got a good entry before the candle had fully closed. Before it fully closed under the VWAP, I had got an entry. But I got an entry there. Then when it bounced back up a little bit, it retraced to get some more liquidity back down. I got another entry there. As you see, it should be two red arrows showing where I entered. One at the top of each candle, and then also at the bottom of the last red candle on the right, it should be an arrow not pointing down but pointing up to where I exited. And that's why I exited my trade, because should be a blue line or near that area towards the bottom of, let me see, towards the bottom of like the left where buyers will usually be. It's on the left of the chart. It's where price previously spiked. That's where the buyers sit at. So that's where I took my exit at. And after I took my exit, I do gotta put together my journal. I do want to have a trading journal for this, just so I can keep myself on track, track everything. Also, before my session, I was feeling good. I haven't took a trade in a while, and I just took this trade Monday because I wanted to get this series started for you guys and for myself. So I was feeling good before my sesh. Wasn't no news for JPY. The two pairs I like to trade is JPY, AUD. But on this channel, we're gonna be trying to implement both. Right now, we're talking about Forex. I'm originally, like I said, I'm an options trader, but I'm trying to get funded so I can provide more content to you guys, and not just Forex or just options trading, but both. I feel like it's a universal skill to learn how to trade different asset classes, but rumor heard in the trading community, if you know how to trade one asset class, you know how to trade basically all the asset class. I mean, the only asset class that would be really kind of different will be crypto. But we're not trading crypto, of course. We're just trading Forex and options. But we sticking to Forex right now because we're doing a whole series, journey to funded live account. But yeah, I usually just trade AUD pairs, JPY pairs. That's what I like to stick to. Monday, my trading session, it wasn't no news for JPY, which is the Japanese dollar or currency. There was news at 9 o'clock for AUD, Australian dollar, but I did take my trade before then. I took my trade before 9 because I saw that my setup was appearing and I took it. But yeah, it was a good session. I wasn't feeling anxious or anything. I got my 3 confirmations. It broke out. Sorry guys. It broke out. It broke out from the support line. It also rejected from my trend line, which is a great indicator. And also, it broke past my VWAP. Or it tested my VWAP, and later on we see that it break right past it. I got 3 levels of confluence and confirmation that it was going to continue going down. I got in and I got out pretty quick. I didn't really ride it too far. After I did exit, I did see it went back down a little bit further, but honestly, once you're out, you shouldn't even be worried. That's why I used to have real back. You shouldn't even be worried about what it's doing because you already out. What you gonna do about it? You gonna take another trade? But yeah, I wasn't too worried about it. I still don't know what happened. I don't know if it went further. I just know I entered and I exited where I did, and yeah. I had, for my stop loss process, I was trailing it, and I was not micromanaging, but I was there to tell myself when things get too far, this is where market structure is, this is where I should get out. Yeah, for my take profit, I don't really have to take profit. I just know where it could go against me at, which is that support, not support line, not the white line, but it might be the blue line. I should have looked over the screenshot a little bit more, but it's where it's the buyers at, should be on the left side of the chart. And I just wanted to tell you guys this little bit of how did the whole trading session pan out. So 6 to 7, I'm usually waiting. Just sometimes I don't even look at the chart till like 6:50. Excuse me. I don't look at the chart till 6:50, and 7 to 9 is when I usually take my trade when I'm trading this funded account, which I barely trade. I'm trading for you guys. I'm trading for me, this journey and the journey of Forex. Forex is not something I would prefer to trade, but it's something I'm trading. You know, it helps with make me better at trading. It helps me with, you know, adrenaline. It helps me with the whole process of trading. So I'm gonna do it and show you guys that, you know, I still can provide trading content, because if we're not gonna be trading options, then let's trade something, you know. But yeah, 7 to 9 is when I like to take my trade. Mind you, 7 to like 7:30, something like that. I still didn't take my trade. 7:30 to like 7:30 to 7:55. I didn't really take a trade either, because I took a shower. You always want to be patient with your trades, and I have learned this so many times, to just be patient, wait for your alerts to hit. I had alerts set for AUD, USD, and also had alerts for AUD, JPY. No. Yeah, because I was trading AUD, Australian dollar. But yeah, I had took a trade straight out. I got out the shower. I saw the opportunity. My alert went off 3 minutes. When I got out of the shower, I saw it was 3 minutes ago that my alert went off, and I took a trade. And you seen, as you seen on the screen, it was a nice trade. I got out. I got in. I got out perfectly. It was great execution. But yeah, this is, I don't know how long the series will be. It's probably gonna be a long series, because we got a long way to go. We got a lot of trades to go. We're not trying to rush this process. Of course, we want to leverage a good amount, so we make a good amount. Just because I told you I have to leverage like almost 75% of my account just for me to get anywhere. If I don't, then we gonna be here for years, because it's yeah. You want to leverage that money, especially since you bought that account as a demo account. It was for, but when you get funded, that's where you really want to be more careful at. But yeah, there's gonna be a new series. Let's keep going until we get funded. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And on days that I don't post about the trades I take towards this live demo account, or just this demo account, I'm gonna be I'm gonna be posting videos about, you know, some things I've learned, my experience with certain things. And I hope you guys enjoy and tune into the videos. You guys already know what to do. I don't have to tell y'all. And I guess that's all I have for you guys today. See y'all in the next one. Peace.